Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to day 17 of this Papercraft Society Advent Calendar. So together with Katarina and Mel, we've got this little collaboration where we share every single day what's in each wallet. Katarina, she's doing step-by-step tutorials, and Mel, she's sharing in details what's in each wallet, and she's sharing her ideas for each product. So let's see what's in this one. So envelope 17, and it's by Textures, so designed by Lou Collins. And in this one we've got this stencil which you can use to create backgrounds and some pages, or you can add it to your, like the other day I was showing you my weekly planner, some journaling, so you can add some interest by putting some color or paste or anything through that stencil. So I'm going to think about what I want to use and what I want to create, and I will be back with all the elements for my tutorial. I've got everything ready, I think almost everything. So I'm going to do pop-up bridge card. I decided to do fancy fold this time. So for this project you need a paper cardstock measuring 11.5 by 5.5 inches, and we need to score it at 1 inch, 2, 3, 8.5, 9.5, and 10.5. So let me write it down. So score at 1, 2, 3, then 8.5, 9.5, and 10.5. So your card will measure 5.5 inches square. And for this also we need a 5.5 square card blank, and I'm using top fold, and you will see later on why. So as you can see, you need to do the valley, mountain and valley, and then on this side again valley, mountain and valley. And when you burnish everything you will have something like that. So those ends, they need to go inwards. And then let me decorate it, and we will actually, what I'm going to do with that stencil, I'm going to use it with some colors, and I'm going to create myself some backgrounds. So first I've got a mat which measures 5.25 square, and I am placing it inside of my card. So I need to decorate the inside first, and then I can actually do the bridge. For those sides I've got those little strips of paper which measures 5.25 inch by 3/4, because we've got an inch, so we need to do a 3/4 inch, and the white one will be even smaller. So let me add here that, and I will show exactly which sides you need to decorate for this card. You can decorate every single side, it's up to you, but I feel that you need to decorate this side and then leave that one white, and then decorate that side as well, because once you will see from the side you will see this one more. But if you've got time and if you've got enough paper of that color, you can decorate every single side. It's all up to you, so you decide how you want to do it. But I've done this card in 5x7 size, and I will try to link it at the end of this video so you can see. And I actually did a wedding card, so if you're interested you can check that video as well. It was actually done for my Fancy Fold craft challenge, which I host every single month on the 5th of each month. We are releasing, I've got some other crafters collaborating with me, and we are releasing videos, step-by-step videos for a brand new fold each month. We are actually going to have a break in January, but from 5th of February we are back with new fancy folds. And if you check that video, I'm going to link at the end that for that 5x7 bridge, pop-up bridge card, you will see in the description of that video exactly what kind of projects and all the information, because we actually have a Facebook group as well for that fancy fold craft challenge, so you can check it out. We actually had a live craft along as well. I think around summertime I did it together with one of the ladies, with Christine. So yeah, that was so much fun. So it will look like this. You can see that it will look like this, and you adhere that to your top fold card blank, and I think it's just such a wonderful idea to create this fancy fold. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to grab myself, so this one will go inside, but first I need to use that stencil. So this one will go inside, and it's, I think, 5 inch square. And I'm going to decorate this panel because I need to cut small strips for that, and for that that bridge element as well. So let me bring myself some inks. I selected some scattered straw, speckled egg, and this sage green color, which I really like. I hope I know I can see already that these are going to be quite muted colors, but lately, as you could see from my video yesterday, maybe I should go for different blue. Shall I risk it and go for this broken china? No, I will go with those which I already picked. So what I'm going to do, let me bring myself, because I'm going to make lots of mess with those inks, probably. And I can already see that this video will be a bit long. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to ink some areas, and I will go randomly. I'm not going to think too much about where I want to place that ink. And I'm going to grab, that's going to be tricky to ink it and not to move the stencil, but I don't mind if it will be overlapping, because distressed oxides, they blend really nicely. Actually, you can see that I've got some, I think, broken china on this brush anyway. So let's see how it's going to look. I'm really curious. I haven't tested it off camera. Look at that, and I like it. It's going to be a very subtle colors, but yes, that's what I want. Should I go a bit further up? I think yes, why not? I'm just going with the flow, creating, not thinking too much about what will come out. Of course, you have to be careful what kind of colors you use, but yes, go for it and enjoy the process. And I know that not everyone likes what I create, and I get it, but you know, we are all different. So it's like yesterday, if you watched my video, and I wasn't sure if I should add that green inking on those heat embossed leaves, and I wasn't sure about that. And I know some of you said that they wouldn't do it. Some of you said that they like it. So yes, as you can see from the comments, everyone had a slightly different idea for that card, but it's a personal choice. It's a personal choice. Look at that. A bit of here. And which one I want to go for? I'm going to mix all those colors. Yes, and done. Look at that. It's like a ombre effect. Little bit. So now let me put this one aside, and I'm going to bring a smaller panel, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to no, I'm not going to think too much. No, I'm just going for it. And I think I've got more than enough ink on those brushes, so let's just do it. So once I will finish this panel, I'm going to cut it into size, and then I will be back with decorating the card. So So I decorated the sides and that bridge panel, which I'm going to adhere here. And then when I put that panel inside, I was thinking, look at this, it's way too much, and I just didn't want to overtake this card with those circles, so I decided not to use it. And I found myself this pretty green color, and I think it works much better, and I'm much happier with that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to adhere it to my the center of my card, and this one measures 5 inches square, and this one goes on the top of that cream, and I think I'm happy with that. So now it's time to actually add that bridge, and let's see. So I need to add glue a little bit on each side just to hold it together, and I'm going to do it quite low, I think. Still want to see a little bit of that green and those mats and layers at the bottom, but I want to do it this way, and I think that's fine. And still got the front only, and I didn't adhere it to my card blank. So this is the 5.5-inch card blank, and now I going to adhere it to that one. So this one is 5.5-inch square with the top fold. So let me move those elements, because I'm going to use those to decorate my card, and my card will be quite light in colors. It's like most of my projects, I think. Sometimes I feel like I've got a time when I'm using lighter colors only, and this is how it is sometimes. So look at this card. It stands up like so, and you can see the folds here, the bridge, and now it's time to decorate it. So I think I'm going to use those elements from, it's box number 2 from my creative life. So that's box number 2. I used those previously in some of my projects, and that's why I wanted to have the green here, just to put that sentiment, you are so special. And now I can create that composition. What I'm going to do, I'm going to probably take some time with that, so I will speed this part of the video. So as you can see, I created the composition, and I was playing a little bit with those flowers and leaves and everything, because I thought it's very quite pale and very card with the pastel colors, and I was thinking things are missing, and I thought it's not enough. That's why I created the composition here on the right as well. And I think I'm going to add some gems. So I've got those gems, and I think I will use the big one here, the silver in the center. Just to give something extra. Yeah, and I think I like it. And I was thinking to add those small ones somewhere, but I'm not sure where to put them. Just don't want to, because this card is maybe maybe in the center of that flower, for example. Yes, let's do that one. And here, because there is another one like that. Yes, and I think that little bit of touch of sparkle, I think that's enough. And yes, I think I'm happy with this card. Let me know, what do you think about this one. It's a pop-up bridge card measuring 5.5 inches, so even with those extra layers here, that should fit a standard 6 by 6 envelope. Let me try to get one so I can show you. So I've got 6 by 6 envelope, and let me show you that it fits. Of course, when you slide it in, be careful about all those elements and those corners, as you can see over here. I have to make sure that yes, and you can see even the flowers are kind of off my card, but it still fits, and you can close it. But if you want, you can create a box for that. So I hope you like this little video tutorial for this pop-up bridge card. If you haven't done this one, I hope you're going to create a one for yourself. It's very simple and it's really effective. It looks differently. So as I said before, I'm going to link that wedding pop-up bridge card, which measures 5 by 7 inches. So of course different measurements. So do check that one out. Consider subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell to be notified about new videos coming to my channel. Write me some comments telling me what do you think about this project, and color combo, whatever you want to tell me. If you would like to change something, let me know, because I love reading your comments as well. Give me thumbs ups, and go over to Katerina and Mel to check out what they've created as well. Follow the hashtag PS Advent Calendar 2023 to check out the people who actually use that hashtag. So thank you so much for watching, for staying with me till the end, and I will see you tomorrow with another wallet and another video tutorial. So bye for now.